my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, loves, if you're new here, welcome, welcome. I'm Diva Decorating, and on this channel, I do DIYs, home decor, room tours, grocery and shopping hauls, some cooking, tablescapes, and much, much more. On this channel, I'm here to help, inspire, educate, and facilitate. I'll be sharing my ideas and give other decorating ideas and tips to be creative and to just have fun creating. On this channel, you'll receive glam decor while still being budget friendly, elegant, and achieving up-to-date styling. So if this is something that you like, why don't you go and subscribe to the channel. For my other family members of the Diva family, welcome back, loves. Okay guys, on today's video, I'll be showing you how to set a formal table like a fancy restaurant. Guys, have you ever wondered, am I setting my table right? Well guys, I've wondered this many, many times before. And today we're going to learn together how to set our table formally. Now, when you walk into some of those fancy restaurants, they have the nicest table set. Everything is set so beautifully. Everything is in its place. And it makes it a nice dining experience. So guys, if this is something that you want to see, just keep on watching. Okay, so guys, the first thing we want to do is we want to start off with a nice clean tablecloth. If you don't have white, any color will do. Just make sure that it's nice and clean and fresh. The second thing is we're going to place our charger plate, also known as a serving plate. We're going to set that down first. Next goes our dinner plate. If we are to have salad, our salad plate would go next. If we're going to have soup, we will have our soup bowl placed there. Next, we're going to place our forks, which goes to the left of our place setting. We would place our dinner fork, and then we would place our salad fork. Next to that, we would place our napkin. That is the formal way to place it, to the left of the forks. But if you wanted a more formal or fancy look, you could place your napkin right in the middle of your salad plate, or you could fold it fancy and place it in the middle. But formally, it goes to the left of the forks. Next would be our spoons to the right of the place setting, and our knives. We will place our dinner knife, placing with the blades placing towards the place setting. If we were to have salad, we would have a salad fork. A salad knife. Next to that, we would have our teaspoon. And then we'll have our soup spoon. Above the forks and the napkin, we would have a bread plate, and we would have our butter knife. Next will come our glasses. We would have our water glass placed above our dinner knife. Next we will have our white wine glass. And then we will have our red wine glass. Now you can put it here or you can put it here. Next, if we're going to have coffee after dessert, we would have our cup and our saucer right to the right of our soup spoon. For dessert, if we're going to have ice cream or cake, our dessert spoon would go above the place setting, facing to the left, and our dessert fork would face towards the right. For ambiance, we could place some fresh flowers right above our dessert spoon and fork. If you don't have fresh flowers, that's fine. You can also use faux flowers. Your salt and pepper shaker, because most people do use salt and pepper. If it's in the evening and you want to set the mood and have an ambiance feel, you can also add some candles. Guys, that is it. That is how you set a formal table setting. I hope that it gave you some tips, and I hope you got some ideas. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload new content. Leave me a comment down below. I love reading your comments. And don't forget to share the video with all your family and friends. And also guys, follow me on all my social media sites. I would love to have you. Until next time guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye my loves.